Go. Here we go.
What does that do in there?
Where? That's Zena's. Oh, for the Spider-Man one. What the?
Oh, it's light. Help.
Can we eat the ghost? I want to try eating the ghost.
What are you doing in there?
How do I get in there? Oh, there. What the? Oh, I can't. Got one. Get it, Nance. I can't eat it.
Let's
go.
Can't. It's a ghost.
Oh! Oh! Come on.
What a waste.
What's that? How did you get the elephant from?
Ooh, door open.
Oh, that one? Okay, let's get on me then. Here. Get on me.
I can do it.
Okay, let me jump. Okay. Going up there. Fine. Let's get out of here. Where are you?
I'm over here.
Come on. Watch out for this one here, okay, lads. Come on. We did it.
Here. Go back up.
Wait, go over here, son. We didn't come here last time, did we? What was that? Fake, what you call it?
Pick what?
Oh. Never mind. What's this here? I don't think we went here last time. Oh, there is it, right? Get it.
Help.
Do. It's Halloween already? Got it! I found it, Lance. I did it. I did it.
Well, were you scared?
Yeah, we're scared.
No, we weren't.
Me?
Almost wasted one. Ooh. Oh no.
I did it. I did it.
I think we're missing one.
No, we didn't. We got all three of them. Oh, that one? Yeah, okay, we did miss one of those. I got all the, what, the pink, giant flowers. Oh, go back and get it then. Okay. Listen here, right?